This video will show you how to set up your ruler balance scale. And we're going to balance it on a trapezoid. This ruler will represent a number line, and we're going to turn it into a method for creating a dot plot. So we'll use the inch markers here to represent the values. We'll use blocks to represent the dots that go on the dot plot. So that will represent one data value. So for instance, if I asked, let's say I was plotting how many pets people had, and someone had 3 pets, I would put this on the 3, representing the value of 3. And I want to make this look like a balance scale. I'm going to use the midpoint of the ruler, which is the 6-inch mark, and make sure it balances on there. So you might have to adjust it a little bit, make it 6 1/4 or 5 3/4, just make sure it's balancing approximately at the 6. If not, get a different ruler. It could be that your ruler has some damage to it. So when balanced, it should look something like this. And our first task that I'm going to give you is to take 4 of these blocks and place them on the ruler anywhere you want, representing a data value or 4 data values, so that this ruler remains balanced where the fulcrum is at the 6. Now, to provide a little more support, I recommend putting some pattern blocks on each side of this trapezoid here. It doesn't matter what type. These happen to be a rhombus and another rhombus, rhombi. But just I'm going to give it a little bit more support there. Then we'll put this back on. Okay, so again, your first task, place these anywhere you want. Back up a little bit. So that they balance. So if I put one here, let's say on the 9, notice it's not balanced. I might put one on the 5, 7, and then figure out another point. But you want it to be balanced, so wherever you end up placing your blocks, make sure it balances on that 6. There's a lot of different configurations you could use. All right, that's your first task.